Gauteng police have rubbished claims that a man was caught planting a bomb at the African Football League final on Sunday. This comes after people took to social media after the match, claiming that they had alerted cops to a man found in possession of explosives at Loftus Versfeld Stadium in Pretoria. Pictures and video of a police escorting the man have been widely shared. Police spokesperson Dimakato said it was a Hawks bomb threat. He said the person is a service provider contracted to supply and display pyrotechnics at the end of the game. He had accreditation and a permit which was verified by the explosives unit. In a statement, Starburst Pyrotechnics, the pyrotechnics display company appointed to shoot fireworks and confetti for the winner of the match, said it was disappointing that the people posted unverified information on social media. All permits were issued and all safety and police authorities were notified. The authorities were notified and they explained the situation to individuals who reported the man. But unfortunately, even after this fact, they have not removed the post from social media accounts. Mamelodi Sundowns beat Wydad Athletic Club 2-1 on Sunday to become champions of the maiden AFL competition. Please subscribe for more.